Hi, I'm Art from L&M Small Engine. Today we're going to be working on a Honda Foreman. It's a 2016 model. It's not turning over. You turn the key on, the dash lights up. Squeeze the brake. Nothing. I've checked the battery's fine. So we're gonna go through some tests and see what we can find out what's wrong with this. So hope you enjoy the video, and if you like it, please subscribe. But here we go. Okay, we'll go ahead and take the seat out. And all the electrical stuff is back under this cover here, so we'll unsnap it, slide that out. That's where the battery and all the circuitry and everything is. That's where we're gonna do all our testing for now. To do these wire tests that we're gonna do today, you don't need nothing fancy, just a regular test light. Mainly all we need for right now to find out what's going on, but let's start getting into it. Okay, so now we're gonna do some wire testing here. We're going to put our tester on the negative on the battery, and we'll just go with the positive, make sure it lights up and everything. And we're gonna check the fuse box, we're gonna check the solenoid. Just get everything all checked out here. Okay. So we're gonna pop the cover off the fuse box. And it says under the cap which one is which. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the ignition on there. So the ignition is the top one right here. Got power on both sides. Okay, all the fuses are good and everything. So now, let's check the solenoid. Okay, that's the side that goes right to the battery. You're gonna have power there. And this side here, that's what goes to the starter. So let's go ahead and push the button here and see what happens. Nothing. So I noticed here that these wires are taped, you know. Mice have a habit of eating wires on folders for some reason, but looks like someone tried taping that. But let's unplug this. This is for the solenoid. So if we put that on there and push the button, it lights up. So that's telling me that our solenoid is bad. And you know, maybe right there, you see the mice are chowing down on that, like right there. So let's try replacing the solenoid once and see what happens. And when you order parts for these four-wheelers and stuff, get the model number off that stamp that's on the frame. I'll show you where it's at on this one. But when you order parts, especially electrical parts, there's always a few letters at the end of the numbers. So this one here is a TRX500FM2. When you order electrical parts, you gotta make sure it's compatible with that FM2, because that stands for certain stuff. Like this one here is a power steering one, and some have the electrical transmissions on them and everything. So yeah, when you order electrical parts, you make sure that them numbers and letters at the end will match that the parts you're ordering, because 9 times out of 10 the plugins are different and stuff. So let's get this thing ordered, and we'll get back and see if we can get this bad boy running. So okay, before we change that solenoid, we're gonna disconnect the battery, because we don't want no sparks and stuff. Undo the 2 nuts on the solenoid. They're 10mm. I'll go ahead and take that wire off. And the new solenoid didn't come with that rubber boot that goes around it, so we're gonna put this rubber boot onto here. Just like that. Everything's out of the way there. I'll take the new nuts off. And there's 2 pegs. Slide on the pegs like that. Then this one here, that goes to the starter, and that one's for the battery. So this one here, that goes to the starter. Then our wire that goes from the battery to the solenoid. Just like that. Make sure everything's tight. That all nice and tight. And we plug in need small hands for some of this stuff. Holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna plug this in. Okay. Cover up the fuse box so moisture don't get in there. Okay, well, go ahead and give this a test here. Before I put the seat and everything on, I better check this. Now you can hear the fuel pump kick in and everything. We gotta squeeze our brake handle. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this helps you out. But anyways, if you like it, please subscribe to this video or other ones that I've made. And appreciate you watching, and you have a good afternoon. Bye.